Hi, today I will explain about this how we can able to create filter in electrical diagram and how we can able to connect the electrical devices. Okay, so I already create one uh, electrical layout. Okay, now this is a template. Okay, so you have to change the template first. So I can go to choose. Uh, I will create one template, electrical template, electrical layout. Okay, I created the electrical layout. Right after that, I can choose my edit button in the visibility graphics and I can go to choose the filter. Here I can go to edit. Okay, so here I already create some filters in the system. So now I'll create new filter. So I can go for new. So I will go to select CL. CL mean ceiling light type A. Okay, so I'll create CLTA. I just copy this one, and after that, I can go to choose the category. And here the electrical, so I can able to choose this lighting fixtures. Okay, so because I have to apply the filter and lighting fixtures. So here it's already there in the lighting fixtures. Here I will choose it in the commands, and here I can choose the equal and put in the same name from here. The filter name and filter rules also we have to follow the same name. Okay, after that apply. Okay, so here I can go back to my add. Okay, here it's available here, so I can able to choose this name, and here I can choose the type of the line. So here I can make it become okay magenta, and the same time I will put the mm, pattern graphics also. After that I press okay. So after that I applied and press okay, apply. Okay. So here I will choose this type of light. Okay, so I can select in the visibility visual style in the layout. So these all the same type of lights. So here I can make it the name of the light. So now you can find out it's automatically created in the filter of these lights. Okay, the same thing you can do the exercise of here, and which type of lights you can choose. You can able to create the filter. So after that, I can go back to my yes level plan. Okay, it's done now. So I can choose my right. Okay, now here it's came to power before plan, so I can make it. So I can go back to my on because I have to change the discipline here. So it's become power. I can go back to lightning. Now it's okay. Now I have level 1 lightning and level 2 lightning also. So here it's light already done. I can go back to my system and I can go choose to electrical fixtures. And I can go to choose the receptacle. So here I already mentioned the receptacle here. So I can add more receptacle somewhere here. Okay. So I only cover up this area. Even here also apply. So after that I can go back to there and choose the lightning. So I can choose the lightning switch one somewhere here and somewhere here. Okay. Right, everything is done. Now I can choose ES, electrical setting, go to general. Here you can find out the circuit naming by base. So here I can choose it RYP. Okay, and I can press OK. Now I can go back to my electrical equipment. Here I can choose my one distribution panel. I can go to select duplicate DB DB level 101 name I created. Okay, and copy again. So you can find out. At the same time, I can mention the panel name also same name. It's better. Okay. After that circuit name also I have to change. So as everything is done, so I have to place the DB somewhere here. Okay. So the DB inside the wall, so I can just select. I can make it offset around 100, 120 or 150. 120 is right enough. Yeah. It's okay now. So I have to create the diagram, connection diagram. So first of all, I will choose this light, go to power. Here you can find out your DB, go to edit circuit. You have to choose which area lights you needed. So I selected this all. So I can able to choose finish. Again, I will select. I can go for the switches, edit system, and go to choose the select switch. Switch selected. Or you can just select connection, go to the wires. So now you can find out this all connections are done. So this is a way we have to create the connection of lights with switch. Okay. So even sockets also you can just select, go to power, go to choose your DB, and after the circuit and apply. Again you can select it. Now you can go back to your wiring diagram. So this is a wiring diagram you can find out. So after that, just right click, go to browser, go to system browser, go to check your DB. Now you created these lights and sockets. So I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any questions,